Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. The Bitcoin chart continues to be here in the same range, very choppy price action, shows some weakness. A lot of the altcoins are selling off today again, and I think Bitcoin has a good chance to do that as well, especially against the communicated resistance at 28,281. We're going to take a look at that in a minute. Overall, there is a chance that a B wave topped here in a WXY structure. That was basically with Monday's top, okay? So that the wave structure in the yellow wave count would be W, X, and then Y, which is another ABC structure. Yeah, WXY. And that is certainly a scenario that I find quite likely. It's a bit too early really to confirm that, but I think this is where we are going, that we are coming down from here. At least this is a major pivot point, inflection point, decision point from where the chart could try another sell-off. The chart has given us some signals that we might be going down in the yellow wave count with a more direct sell-off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how it would ideally work out in this scenario. Can Bitcoin prevent this? Yes, of course, Bitcoin could prevent this. And ideally, Bitcoin would avoid a break below 27,000 for this and would break above resistance. Yeah, in the next rally, in the next move up, which could happen shortly, Bitcoin would need to take out $28,281. And it should be a sustained break because then Bitcoin can rally in a fifth wave to the upside more directly. Then we have 5 waves up. And as soon as we have 5 waves up, we can work with that structure and look for an ABC corrective pullback in a wave 2. A wave 1 up, a wave 2 down. And yes, the move up could still be an extension of the B wave. That's also possible. A new low is still likely after that. But nevertheless, without the 5 waves, we don't even have that likely, let's say, long trade setup. Okay, so first of all, we need to see the 5 waves to get more bullish. Anyway, until then, yeah, we are primarily expecting another sell-off. We just have to, because without a trend reversal signal and the confirmation that a lasting low is in place, we cannot be bullish really. Okay, on the daily time frame, absolutely. I'm tracking a bullish structure primarily. It's just that here on the lower time frames, we haven't seen enough evidence that a low has been established here on the 11th of September. We can still sell off further, but I show you that basically every day on the daily time frame anyway. So it should be clear. There's always a difference between time frames. Yeah, you can be bearish on one time frame, you can be bullish on another. Here we are a little bit in no man's land, but certainly yesterday's price action has pushed us a little bit more into the yellow wave count, I think, because we have, in my opinion, an impulse. Well, not an impulse, but at least a leading diagonal to the downside here, to this yellow wave 1. Then we are now probably in the yellow wave 2, or alternatively, it's white wave B, which also should react to resistance. So I'm watching next for potentially the emergence here of an inverse head and shoulders pattern. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. There's only a small one, but it could take us potentially here, and it should turn pretty imminently. It should take us into the resistance zone between 27,880 and 28,280. From there, we could see that reaction, and then somewhere here we will get the decision if we go down more directly in the yellow wave count, or if this just is an extension of the 4th wave and we go up higher. But anyway, at the moment, until we break below 27K, expectations would be for a bit of a rally, a corrective rally, in wave B or 2 into the resistance area, and then a reaction there. Then we can take it from there. That's a really, a perspective really at the nano counts, at the micro counts, that don't see this as too predictive. It's just simply telling you an ideal roadmap and what levels to watch really. So yeah, but the 27K level is bullish support, 28,281 is resistance, and in terms of the yellow wave count, as long as the 28,280 level isn't broken to the upside, we should see here that reaction to the downside in the coming weeks should get closer to 22 to 24K. Either way, bullish potential there is still possible in the white wave count, but I just need to see those 5 waves up first. Then we can work with that, add a support area for the wave 2 pullback, and only then I will confirm that something more directly bullish is going on and that here on the 11th of September, a lasting low has been established. Yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Link for the channel membership is in the description. There are weekly live streams, educational content, short-term market updates. And also we now launched our stocks and shares service. If you're interested in that, there are daily updates for the S&P 500 and updates about 20 stocks. And the link is also in the description. Takes you to Patreon, and then you can take a look at all the stocks we cover. Some of you might be interested in more than just crypto. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.